What's happening, my beautiful people? Welcome to PR Sense. My name's Jose, where you will get fragrance reviews for the common man at not too expensive prices. It took me a little second to remember that saying, but I have it down pat. So what are we doing today? So today I'm very excited. This week is my birthday. My birthday's on Friday. I'm not telling you how old I am. Put in the comments how old you think I am. That would be interesting. Anyway, I got my first, what you would call fragrance haul, I guess. I got a lot of stuff. And I want to personally thank one of my subscribers, Al Janabi, for sending me a couple of these. Thank you so much, guy. It's really nice that you did that. And it's very helpful. It helps me. Like I said, times are tough. Gas is still up there. I'm trying to buy fragrances for you guys so that I can do more and more fragrance reviews for you. And sometimes it's a little hard because, cash is tight. But I'm still doing it, so here I am. I got 4 Lattafas for you. Now again, not being paid to do Lattafa reviews. Nobody's giving me money for this stuff, okay? I just like the Lattafas, I do. And again, in today's times where things are hard, it's nice to be able to get a nice fragrance that costs you $25 and not $150. When we get back to normal, I'll be buying, more expensive fragrances because I really want to start trying some of those. But for now, these are awesome. And even if I could afford the $150, I still probably wouldn't do it. I don't know. But if you're interested in what I have to say about these 4 fragrances plus about 7 perfume oils that I got, stick around and I will see you in a second. Thanks, guys. Bye. So welcome, my beautiful people, to PR Sense. My name's Jose. And here you will get fragrance reviews for the common man at not too expensive prices, like I said before. And this is my very first fragrance haul. Not all mine, like I said. Great subscriber of mine, Al Janabi, got me a few of these, so I really, really thank you. I've wanted them. Some of them I know smell similar to some that I have, and some smell similar to each other. But I wanted to get them anyway, so, it's great. And then I got a whole bunch of Al Rehab concentrated perfumes as well. This is Superman. I'll talk about it in a second. Some of them are good. Now, the first one I want to talk about is this one. And this is a little strange because online, it is called Lattafa's Oud Mood Silver. At least on Fragrantica it is. But on the box and on the bottle, it is actually called Reminiscence. Now this, first of all, look at this box. Like, I gotta give it to Lattafa. They do some great presentations. How they can sell these things for like 25 bucks is beyond me, but everybody says that, right? This is supposed to be the brother, I guess, to Oud Mood, the original, the OG Oud Mood, which I still have to get. I want that one badly. So it is supposed to be a milder kind of scent than Oud Mood. It's got apple and pineapple in it, rose. It's got a little bit of a, I don't want to say aftershave-y kind of scent. I don't even know if I have space to put anything on. Hold on. Yeah. It's not very oudy at all. I don't get oud from it. Yeah, I don't get oud at all. It's a little fresh, yet a little musky at the same time. I do smell florals in there. So it's got to have something like, it's not lavender. It's got pineapple. It definitely has pineapple. And I can't figure out what the floral is. I'll have to look up the notes on that one. But it's nice. I like it. I have to see what the longevity and all of that is, but I like this one. This one's nice. And like I said, I haven't gotten the original Oud Mood, which I definitely want to get because I hear such great things about it. Anyway, that is Lattafa's Oud Mood, not silver, Reminiscence. That's what it's called. There's no mention of silver on this thing. The box is silver, but the actual name of it, from what I can tell, is Reminiscence. Next, the next one I got is, where is it? Yep, this one, Karafi. Okay, now Karafi, I know was done in 2019, so it's one of Lattafa's more recent ones. It has, this is Karafi Oud. These are all unisex. Most of Lattafa's are unisex. This is the bottle. Not the most expensive looking bottle, just has this, looks like just a regular label on it. The juice, ooh, the juice is amber. The juice is very nice. But let's see what's in it. I know it's supposed to be very, oh, that's oud. Very spicy. Yeah, it's oud and spices. Very spicy right off the top. It's got something else in it. I can't really. It's musky. Oh, I like that one too. So that one is Karafi Oud. But it's not a potent oud. It's a mild oud. And this bottle came very with the liquid all over it. I'm gonna be smelling like this for a while. Oh, that's nice. I am oh, this is nice. So this is the box. And this is a Mir Al Oud. This is not a Mir Al Oud Intense Oud. This is just a Mir Al Oud. And it's also by Lattafa. And it comes with a really nice. So this is the thing with some of these. They don't necessarily come with. So here is Amir Al Oud. Ooh, that's a nice color. Look at that. Nice gradation there. This says natural spray. It is an eau de parfum. I think all of these are eau de parfums. But when it comes with these, you're lucky if you get the same scent as the perfume you're getting. You won't always get that. You may get, Amir Al Oud in the box, but get, for instance, this one is Ragba for men. So yeah, I have a couple of these. I don't use them a lot. Oh, so hold on. Let me just pop this thing off. They're not, well, I don't even smell anything on that one. I'll have to try that, but they're not very strong. They're supposed to be deodorants. I use them more for like spraying the curtains and stuff like that when people are coming over. But let's see what the juice smells like. This is supposed to be a very vanilla-y smelling thing, fragrance, dark vanilla. Oh, that's dark vanilla. Oh, that's nice. This one doesn't smell like anything I have. Now I know that Oud Mood, and I have to check if it's this Oud Mood that I bought or the one with the black label on it, is supposed to smell like Shagaf Oud by Swiss Arabian, which I also have. So I've got to play with that and see. But I'm not sure if this one is the same. This is very, This has a nice vanilla scent to it. I do smell oud. I smell vanilla. It's nice. Not musky. I've got to play with these a couple more times because these are nice. Yeah, it's a deep, it's like a heavy scent, but it's not super oudy. It's more vanilla and like maybe musk and amber. So I've got to check that one out. So that's Amir Al Oud, not to be confused with Amir Al Oud Intense Oud. It doesn't smell to me a lot like Amir Al Oud Intense Oud. Amir Al Oud Intense Oud, God, that is a great one. I use that one all the time. I don't care if it's summer or spring. I use it because it just smells so good. It's sweet, vanilla, really, really nice. I like to layer Amir Al Oud Intense Oud with Kayed, Lattafa's Kayed, because Lattafa's Kayed is very, very spicy. I mean, that's all it is. It's just spices. And I like to layer something that has more of a vanilla, a little bit of sweetness to it on top of the Kayed, and it works really well. It does a nice job. So try it if you have those two. And then the last one, and I'm going to do some, a review of each one of these once I try them out for a little bit longer, is this one. And this one is Sheikh Shuhak Luxe Edition. Now, this is like a puzzle because I got to figure out how to open this box. So let's see if I can do this. And also, having one arm is a pain sometimes. So let's see if I can do this. Oh, there I go. I got it. Oh, it's like a sleeve. So hold on. It's not like I can pull it with both hands, so be patient with me. By the way, I live in Tennessee, and right now we are roasting. Like, the heat index here is ridiculous, so I can't really wear most of these now. Most of these are for winter or, fall, but I'm ready. I am so ready for these things because I love my oud. I really do. I've got so many ouds, and I'm gonna do a Lattafa because I think I'm up to maybe 15 or 20 Lattafas now. And ooh, that's nice. So this one I know, the Sheikh Al Shuyuk, if I'm saying it wrong, let me know, is supposed to smell also like Oud Mood, and I think another one that I have. It's also, well, no, I think that's it. But let's see what this one smells like. Wow, that is spicy. I smell chocolate, maybe. I think this, yeah. Is this cinnamon? It's got like a rubbery, leathery kind of scent to it too, which kind of makes me think it has a little bit of saffron in it, because saffron can have like a rubbery scent to it. Oh, that's nice. I like that one too. And the bottle is really pretty too. Heavy as hell. I mean, the Lattafas, if you want to kill anybody and, not have a weapon, you could use one of these. I mean, really, like half of these bottles will kill people. The top is plastic, like a cheap plastic. But the bottles are really, really nice. So yeah, I like this one, although, man, is it giving me, is it spicy? I've just swallowed a little bit. So, because I did that, and I've smelled so many, let me have my coffee. If you didn't know, when you're smelling a whole bunch of fragrances, if you have some coffee beans in between and just smell the coffee beans, it helps with the, clearing out your nasal passages so that you can smell the next one without having a little bit of the previous one on there. But I'm just gonna have my coffee. Yay to me for my birthday, yay to me for my first haul. And yay to you for joining me. And then I've got all of these too, Al Rehab, and they're all little perfumes. I've got Superman, Musk Oud, what's this one? I don't know what the name of this one is. Oh, Golden Sand. This one is Choco Musk. Ooh, that's a gourmand sounding thing. This one is Sultan Al Oud. Oud and Rose. I'm looking forward to trying that one. This one is called Bakor. So I've got those. I'm gonna try those later, and because they're oil concentrated perfumes, so they're really strong. I tried the Superman, and the Superman to me smells like, after it starts to dry down, it smells like you smoked cigarettes, and it kind of smells a little very tobacco-ish. I like it though, I like it, but the sheen it leaves on you, because it's like pure oil, it literally feels that way, is unreal. So that's my first haul. I will review all of these as I go along. Do I like them? Yeah, I do. And I will give you more my final views on each one of these in separate reviews. I am expecting 3 more this week. It's my birthday, and I'll cry if I want to. I'm gonna party. I'm expecting 3 more this week, and I will do reviews on those as well. But I hope you guys like this. It's just, a first haul, first impression thing. So I know it doesn't give you a lot of info, but I really appreciate you guys watching this. I hope you enjoyed it. Come back. Please do me a favor. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. Please, like, share, tell your friends about it. Give me some comments. Don't forget, how old am I? Give me some comments on that one. Oh, and then there's, I can't remember his name or her name, but you guys are eagle-eyed. One person, I had done a review of, I think it was Amir Al Oud and Rogba Wood Intense, and I put the thumbnail in there, and I must have accidentally switched the caps on them, and and that was months ago, and I just got a comment by somebody that said, you switched the caps, like they're not the right caps for these things. I'm like, wow, you guys are unbelievable. You just watch everything. So I appreciate that. I appreciate those kind of comments, letting me know I'm not changing it. I already know that, so I'll be a little bit more careful in the future. But yeah, I appreciate those kind of comments as well. So let me know if you guys have these. Let me know what you guys think about them. And as always, guys, be safe, be loved, and I will talk to you later. Thanks, guys. Bye.